Okay. Show Mommy the letters. What letter's that?
Very good. What's this?
People, I see you do it. People,
She's camera shy.
She's not camera shy.
Okay, how about this one,
What
Hannah?
is this? What letter is that?
What's that one?
Q.
Where's, what's that one? Good. What's that one? This one?
D,
Very good.
D,
D.
A,
Very good.
A,
A.
K,
Where's K? Show Daddy K.
I think
H,
that's M.
Mm-hmm.
M,
Mm-hmm.
M,
M.
U,
U.
U,
U. U.
X,
X.
U.
Alright, that's the end of that.